Hey guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching Toya JTV. Today I am just going to show you how I actually use the Prepoo Mud Mask for a deep conditioner. It doubles, okay? I like to make my products to where they do more than just one thing. So, I have just shampooed my hair. I did not apply the leave-in because since I'm going to be doing the Prepoo Mud Mask, I'm going to rinse that out. Then once I rinse that out, then I will do the leave-in conditioner. All right, so, and I just lightly shampoo my hair simply because it's going up in a bun. But I like for it to be deep conditioned, to make sure I take care of my ends properly. That is the goal to growing your hair, is to maintain your ends and length retention. So if you can maintain your ends, then as it grows, you'll actually see the length. But on the other side, if you do not take care of your ends, you know, your hair is always growing. So it's growing. So if you do not take care of your ends, then you're basically cutting off everything that you grew. So doing deep conditioning is a great way to keep your ends healthy. Make sure you're wrapping it up with your by L. Jones satin scarf. All right, so I'm just going to get some of this out of here, and I'm actually using my comb to get some out because I just don't want all this in my nails. But again, it is the Prepoo Mud Mask. I use mud from the Dead Sea, which has a lot of hair loving ingredients in it. Okay, so this is all I'm doing. Taking it out with my rat tail, putting it in my hand. Take some more out, putting some more in my hand. And I want to saturate my hair, so I'm going to take a little bit more out. Put more in my hands, and if I need more, I'll get more. But basically, I just use the comb because I just took some of my nails off. And I just don't want to dip like this. And I normally do because do not feel like getting all that out of my nails. And I'm going to let this sit a few hours. I'm basically just going to put a plastic cap/bag on it. And I'm just going to let it do its thing. And then I'll rinse it out. All right, so I'm taking a little bit more. It smells so good. Okay. You would think that I didn't actually make these products the way I am mesmerized by the smell. But that is like literally one of my favorite parts of making the products is testing the different fragrances. Because what I do is, okay, so this is how much more I got. What I do basically is I will make a product, and my first priority is to make sure the product works. So, okay, before I continue, you don't want to just put it on the outside of your hair. You want to lift your hair up. You want to make sure it's on every hair strand, okay? And then you definitely want to concentrate on the ends. Lost my towel. Okay, so anyway, my main goal when I'm making products, the number one priority is to make sure the product works. So what I do is I will make like a very small batch of something, and then I test it out on myself to see if it works. If it works, I then take it to my salon to see if it works on like my client's hair, different, you know, hair types, different hair textures. And then once I realize that I like it, Then I add the fragrance, because I mean, fragrances can get expensive. So there's no point in me, I figure there's no point in putting a fragrance in just a tester, because if I don't like it, I'm going to feel like I wasted money. And when you're just starting a business, or when you have a small business, I don't have any money to waste. All right. And I'm just getting all of the mud off of like the rim, because I made a mess. And I can add that to my ends. All right, and then I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and comb it through to distribute. But yeah, so fragrance testing is one of my favorite things to do. And then also sometimes when you smell it straight out of the bottle, it smells different when it's actually in the product. So I may think that it smells good when I'm like just smelling it out of the bottle, but when it actually gets in the product, I'm like, oh my God, it smells so good. So yeah. And again, combing through just helps to evenly distribute. So this mud mask does a lot of things. It has a lot of minerals in it that helps to strengthen the hair. There's no actual protein in here, but there are a lot of minerals in here that help strengthen the hair. It helps with dandruff, itchy scalp, flaking. It helps with circulation. It helps the hair to grow faster. It helps moisturize. It helps to do a lot of things. That's why it's great for before you shampoo, because like if you have dandruff, it'll help get rid of that. All right, so now I'm just gonna put my plastic cap on and let it marinate. So I will come back with the results. See y'all later. Ooh, my hair feels like actual silk. Oh, it is so soft. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. Mm, it smells, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Wow. I almost don't want to do a bun this week. Oh, my hair is so soft. It is like, it feels like heaven. Wow. Wow. Let me just say this. If I have never said this before, I 100% stand behind this product and all the rest of them for that matter. But this right here is some good stuff. If you have not tried this, you're missing out. And again, this can be used before the shampoo and it can be used after. Oh my goodness. My hair is so freaking soft. I can't believe how soft it is. Okay. If you have dry hair, you need this. If you have breaking hair, it's breaking, you need this. Okay? If your hair is brittle, you need this. If your scalp is itchy, you need this. If you have dandruff, you need this. If you want your hair to be moisturized, you need this. If you want your hair to be strengthened, you need this, okay? And if you want your hair to feel anything like what mine feels like right now, you need this. BioJonesProducts.com. Go try it.